Who be that?
Room service.
Oh, okay. My brother.
Sir, sorry.
I've been waiting for the duvet since.
Yes, sir. I was arranging the duvet. That's it. That's the duvet, sir.
You've been arranging them? Chineke, wet duvet?
Yes, sir. We just washed it now, sir. You know, you don't like it wet.
As what? Am I going to make love to it?
Sir, you know this is a Hamatan now. It will not take time. Highest in the next 10 minutes, it will dry.
Hey.
You feel free. It will not take time.
It will dry.
Yes, sir.
Is that how you people operate? Is it? Wait, oh. That is, you expected me to take this duvet inside and lie on it. It will dry on my body.
You don't lock yourself, say I even bring them for you. Now 3 rooms, they share this duvet.
Is it?
Today is your turn to...
3 rooms?
Yes.
Sharing one duvet?
Yeah. If you use small now, before midnight, you will bring for your neighbors.
Wait, don't be angry, let me ask you.
Today is your turn.
This place, did I pay for hotel or mortuary?
So it's hotel. This thing is 5-star hotel. That's
5-star hotel?
why I was telling you to take the big room, sir. That's why I was telling you to take the...
Sharing one bed sheet, wet bed sheet for that matter.
Sir, just manage it. Just manage it.
People should go and refund me my money.
Sir, this is dry season. Before, okay, you know what? Just relax. Will you manage wrapper? Because there's one woman that forgot her wrapper in the other room. She has checked out. Let me go and bring the wrapper for you.
I'm not doing it again. I'm leaving. I'm not sleeping here again. People should go and balance me my money.
I know I'm telling you this thing because we don't refund money here. And the worst part is that we don't even allow you to go. You cannot even leave here. Once you have paid, you must lodge.
I must lodge?
Must. You have paid, you must enjoy your money.
Okay, I paid for my imprisonment with wet bed sheet.
Sir, you must enjoy your money. Don't even disturb anybody again in this hotel. Take your...
Can I manage the wrapper? I'm a woman. If I cover this, I will die.
Let me go and bring the wrapper.
Thank you very much.
Sweet dreams, sir.
For where? The Grace?